Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are talking about impumelelo, success. I think that's what everyone is hungry for in life. Impumelelo, success. If I think this video works hand in hand nale engithumele kuqala education and learning, and education and learning. So if you didn't watch it, please take some time to go watch it so that you can understand what it takes to go to impumelelo. So namhlanje sizobhekana nempumelelo. I have some notes here that I wrote them in English kodwa ngizama ukukhuluma nangeSuthu. So success is not about 6 figures. That's my own opinion. So ukubona kwethu akufani. Omunye umuntu engathi makahlele i1 endlini athi mina ukuthi ngibe successful, ukuthi ngibe right, ngizozibona ngokuthi ngihole mhlawumbe 6 figures noma ngiyenze 6 figures. Omunye uzothi mina ukuthi ngithi sengisuccessful empilweni senginjani, ngifuna ukuzibona ngiworth $1 million. So i-success yethu ayifani. Mina on my own side, from my own research, ngibona ngathi i-success masikhuluma ngempumelelo, sikhuluma ngempilo othi ma uyiphila ujabule uthi nayi lempilo engiyifunayo. Uyangithola? Whether it's driving the car that you want, if you always wanted to drive a Mercedes Benz, and when you reach that point of driving that Mercedes Benz, makuyukuthi uhlala ufisa ukuthi ngifuna ukuhlala endlini ena 4 or 5 bedrooms and ukwazi ukuyithenga leyo uhlale kuyo, impumelelo leyo. Mangabe ubufisa ukuthi ube nabantwana abawu6 and wabathola lawo bantwana abawu6, ujabulile nengane zakho, guys, impumelelo leyo. So impumelelo esikhathini esiningi I think abantu abaningi bayayidida. Yes, there are people that are rich in life ngoba nabo bebafuna ukuba rich. Impumelelo yabo bekuyikuba rich, bebazibona ukuthi mangaba rich, mangayenza 6 figures, mangayenza ngizoba successful. Kodwa ama measurement of success wethu awafani. So that's what I want to make difference on. So ungathi mohlela uyi1 uzidle uzilimaze ukuthi ngifuna, ngoba ungazama ukulandela ukuthi ngifuna i6 figures ngoba uzomunye umuntu athi uyenza 6 figures ujabulile empilweni, bese wena uthi ngifuna $1 million ngoba ngizomunye umuntu ayi-millionaire futhi ujabulile. Bese guys, ngeke uyithole injabulo, uzohlala udinga into ongayitholi, udinga into ongayazi ukuthi ikuphi kahle kahle. Kodwa wazitshela wena ukuthi yazini, making an example of myself, mina ngihlale ngenza isibonelo ngami ngoba i-power ne-energy nesibindi sokuthi namhlanje ngibe la ngifundisa abanye abantu yingoba ngibona ukuthi kukhona izinto bengizibekile empilweni yami ukuthi mina ngazibona sengiphila impilo so sengiphumelelile, yimpumelelo yami engiyifisayo. Ngazibona ngidrive imoto so sengiphumelelile, yiyo impumelelo yami engiyifisayo. Namhlanje sengiyiphila leyo mpilo leyo. Ngeke mina ngibe nobhizi ngijimisana nokuthi u-Elon Musk umhlabeni unemali engakanani. Akuseyami impumelelo bengiyifisa leya, ngeyakhe naye. Mina yami impumelelo bengiyifisa ngiyifikile ngoba ngiphile endlini ebengifuna ukuyiphila, ngidrive imoto ebengifuna ukuyidrive, nginendoda, nginabantwana, ngijabulile, yiyo eyami impumelelo. So nawe hlala phansi uzibuza uyi1 ukuthi impumelelo yakho yini. Mawuthandaza ebusuku kuNkulunkulu uthandazela yiphi impumelelo, wafika kuleyo mpumelelo, neliseka ujabule. Yebo kusazodingeka ukuthi cause impumelelo guys mawusonayo awuveli uhlala uthi oh sengifikile la ngifuna ukufika khona, sengiyarelax, ngoba uzogain weight, uzogula, uzoyishiya leyo mpumelelo. So udla amapizza every day, so udla ngangizitshela mhlawumbe yo mawukhula ngithi yabona mase nginemali sengisebenza kahle sengiyi-engineer, mina ngiyoba ngidla amapizza namabheka every day. I think bekuyingqondo yokuntwana. Manje ngipheka umhodu lapha namanqini ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi I have to take care of my weight, I have to take care of my health, I have to take care of my kids, I have to take care of this. So iba nempumelelo yakho kodwa wazi ukuthi masofike lapho uzoyisebenzela, ngeke uvele ihlale nje lapho njalo usazokhuphuka. Kuba khona a certain reach stage ukuthi ungafika kiso awusahlali, uyakhuphuka, uyathanda noma ukuthandi, sekuyazikhuphukela kodwa ekhuphukeni lapho khumbula ukuthi sowufikile empumelelweni yakho, ujabulile, nethezeka ngalokho nakho, jabula for lokho onakho. Ngoba ukuba uqhubeka ulamba ingakho today sinokuzwa izitori zabantu abathwele ngokuthi bagijimisa imali. Kodwa uma ubabuza ujabulile ngaleyo mali onayo, abajabulanga. Sebenzela impumelelo, ufake ilimit ukuthi eyami impumelelo ngafika la ngizoba sengiright. Bese ufike khona ukhululeke. So I have another point here ethi success is not about what you have. Sengiyikhaverile ngokubala izinto abantu abanokuzibheka. Njalo abantu bayalandela kakhulu these days i-social media, guys. Most of abantu enibalandelayo abayenza ama-social media, people are doing it for content, abayenzi impilo yabo esikhathini esiningi. So beka yakho igoal ukuthi mina empilweni ngazibona. I think sonke masikhula ngalanda umntwana ona 8 years 10 years unesifiso empilweni, unempumelelo ayifisayo. Buyela uzibuza ukuthi mangina 10 years yini ebengifisa before ubone abantu abafaka ama-frontal ama-360, before ubone Elon Musk one umhlaba ngeimali, before buyela yini wena empilweni obuyifisa ukuzibona unayo. Usunayo manje, uma ungenayo vuka uyisebenzele. Uma usunayo maintainer, ungaloku busy ugijimisana uzogcina uthatha izinto ezokuhlupha. Then I have another point. Success is not about wearing expensive clothes. Guys, I really want to emphasize on this one. I think it goes back to social media now. Nokubona every day this one. Abantu bagcina ugijimisana ukuthi uhola imali encane, sugijimisa ukuthi uzibone ngathi ufuna ukubonisa abantu ukuthi wena ususuccessful, wena usuphila kahle. Usuthenga iphone ongayi-afford, uthenga imoto ongayi-afford, ugqoka impahla ongazi-afford, endlini uyastrugglisha, ebusuka ulali ikolodo ngendaba za impumelelo ayikho kanjalo. Impumelelo iphathi ukuthi mawuyiricha uzibone ukuthi ngiphila kahle, ngiyasave imali yami, ngihamba ngemoto engiyithandayo, ngidla ukudla engikuthandayo, njalo ukudla lokuthandayo kumele ulimite, hey kodwa uphila impilo oyithandayo. So that's a success for me. Again, ngizoloke ngibhizi ngibuyela ukuthi indlela mina engibona ngayo. Ma wena ubona ngathi i-success yakho ukuthi ube more, you can do it. Ma ubona ngathi i-success yakho ukuthi uzibone mhlawumbe uhlala endlini, mina angiziboni ngifisa ukuhlala endlini enkulu, ama-mansion la nginokuwabona amakhulu, angiwazi ukuthi isidingo ngisani. Ngoba makuthi ngihlala ngiyi-1 nabantwana bami abawu-2 nomuntu wami siwu-4, asidingi indlu ena 7 bedrooms and 7 bathrooms. Right ama-bathroom awu-2 ayabantwana neyethu kuphelele lapho kwelami side. Ngingazi njalo wena eyakho impumelelo yini. So I think abantu kumele bahlale phansi before uzithola ustressa ngomhlaba, ustressa ngabantu. Hlala phansi uzibuza ukuthi yini kanti wena vele oyifunayo, wayithola oyifunayo, isebenzele. Ungadla amawutwana ungawafuni, ungadla amakhanda wenkukhu uthi impilo guys inzima iyangiphoqa ukuthi ngidle. Awuphoqelekanga lutho, uyazikhethela impilo ofuna ukuyiphila empilweni. Vuka ekseni usebenze nzima for impilo yakho, usethe i-target, usethe i-law, uvuke ekseni uyofunda. Yabona ngibuyela back to ukuthi hamba kuleya video about ukufunda, hamba uyofunda ukuthi kuleyo mpilo oyifisayo bheka umuntu mhlawumbe ophila leyo mpilo yempumelelo oyifisayo. Ungaveli ubheke wonke umuntu ku social media, ngoba ungabona umuntu ohamba ngeMercedes nawe usuyayifuna, kusasa ubone ohamba ngeBMW nawe usuyayifuna, kusasa ubone ogqoke ifrental ye-15,000 rands nawe usuyayifuna, kusasa ubone bheka umuntu oyi-1 ophila impilo othi nawe mawuhleli uyi-1 uthi impilo yakhe ile mpilo nami bengifisa. Ube usuma ukhona. Most people yazi aba-right abanemali, they are very nice people. Ungabacela ukuthi guys ngicela ukukhuluma nawe, ngicela ukwazi ukuthi ufike kanjani lapho. They sit down with you, they advise you. Those steps won't be easy, but uyazithatha and uzofika. There is nothing impossible in this world. If you set yourself to something and say I'm gonna achieve this, I'm gonna do this, you can do it, and I know you are capable of doing it. So guys, success, impumelelo ngiyethu sonke, kodwa ama-level wakhona awalingani njalo awafani, ngoba masingabantu vele asilingani, nayo izandla imino ayilingani. so nathi masingabantu ngeke sifane. Wena ma yakho success ila nempumelelo ila, bengakubeka kule uzozibulala ngoba uzobulawa i-depression. So uthi this house is too big for me, it's scary, I'm scared to sleep in this house. Kanti wena vele udalelwe ukuthi uziphilele ku-2 room, uyangithola. So jabula ngempumelelo yakho, usebenzele impumelelo yakho, ukhohlwe ngomhlaba. Let me see if I have any other point. I'm saying now my points. I just added few things engizifundile ukuthi abantu abaningi abanempumelelo abaphumelele abazenzayo abathi mabezenza impilo yabo bajabula, bathi abaningi bayafunda incwadi. So angazi ukuthi umuntu okwazi ukubala, othanda ukubala, onjani, kodwa bathi ukubala incwadi kuyasiza ukuya empumelelweni. Ukuya ejimini, monga afford ijim, vuke kuseni uyogijima. Mina ngiye ejimini, ngiyagijima sometimes ngiyakhohlwa ukugijima, ngigain weight, kodwa ngiyazama, ngiyagijima sometimes. Abanye le I think nami ngiyayibelieve futhi ngiyalandela ukuvuka guys, ungalali ilanga. Masikhule ekhaya bathi ungalali ilanga lize lishaye kuphi. Kumele ube nesikhathi sokuvuka, ube nesikhathi sokulala, ube ne routine, uzitshela ukuthi isikhathi sokuvuka ilesi, isikhathi sokulala ilesi, isikhathi sokufunda ilesi, isikhathi sokuthi ngikhulume nabantu abaphila lempilo engiyifisayo, ngifunda ukuthi nami ngingafika kanjani lapho ilesi. Uziphe isikhathi, uziphe i-routine. I-routine konje yini ngesakithi? I-routine, yeah, uziphe i-routine guys, inzima lento. Yeah, uziphe i-routine. In that way ngicabanga ukuthi it can be possible to reach. The reason I'm always using ngicabanga, I think akusho ukuthi angiyazi into engikhuluma ngayo, ngiyenzela ukuthi ungathi it's a fact ubonga uthe no. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi kuyasiza kukuwe ukuthi uyakuthatha ukusebenzise kukusize noma ukuthatha. Thank you guys for today, and I think that's it for our success video. And keep bringing those comments, keep talking to me, and keep reaching out those that are interested in knowing about getting jobs in Europe, other countries like Canada, America. I may have some information for you, so always reach out and pass the videos to other people, and go to education, go to school guys, get educated. Wake up in the morning, work on your success, work on impumelelo, shintsha impilo yakho. And I love you so much. Bye.